Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing an authenticated online course or live teacher. This ensures correct sequencing and safety. Once enrolled, pick a consistent 20-45-minute window and create a simple, quiet space so you can focus. Make sure to wear comfortable, loose clothing and sit upright. Good posture supports diaphragmatic breathing. Now, open the first lesson and follow the instructor's guided breathing. Listen closely to rhythm cues and mirror their pace to build proprioceptive memory. Once you've started, advance to mastering the 3 core breath cycles, slow, medium, and fast, and understand why each shifts nervous system balance. Follow guided audio or video so your inhale-hold-exhale timing matches the teacher. Counting silently or using the waveform helps. Make sure to increase intensity gradually over sessions rather than forcing deep breaths. If you feel dizzy, slow down and return to natural breathing. Learning control is the point, not breath volume. You finish sessions by adding a short grounding or silent meditation to anchor the physiological shifts. This helps consolidate calm. Practice daily for at least 2-6 weeks and keep a brief log of duration and effects so you can calibrate progression. Once done, hydrate and avoid intense activity for a few minutes. If you encounter persistent dizziness, chest tightness, or anxiety, stop and contact your instructor or a healthcare professional. That troubleshooting step protects progress and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.